Most bird watchers and scientists say that there are roughly 9,000 to 10,000 species of birds. One of the main ways to identify them in physical appearance, and once you start looking closer, it becomes obvious that birds come in many different shapes and colors, and some are absolutely gorgeous. There are many unique birds too, and here is a list of 10 of the most unique birds. Number 1. The secretary bird. Its common name is thought to derive from its feathers. These quill-like feathers give the appearance of a secretary with pens behind his or her ears. It is usually found in the open grasslands and savanna of the sub-Saharan region. The lifespan of these birds is about 10 to 15 years in the wild and up to 19 years in captivity. The secretary bird may travel over 30 kilometers a day in search of snakes, insects, and other small animals. They feed upon snakes such as adders and even cobras, but will also consume lizards, amphibians, rodents, and bird eggs. Number 2. Frigate bird. Frigate birds live in islands and tropical waters. They eat small fish, squid, and jellyfish. It may also take young turtles, birds, and eggs. Frigate bird has a wingspan of about 7.5 feet. This is the largest wingspan of all birds compared to the body size. Frigate bird can spend entire week in the air, and the interesting thing is that they even sleep in the air, thanks to its huge wings and ability to use thermals to fly effortlessly. Frigate bird is almost an endangered species. Frigate birds is mostly active during the day. Number 3. Temminck's tragopans. Temminck's tragopans are found in damp evergreen forests, where they favor areas of densely growing rhododendrons and bamboos. They are also found in the Himalayan mountains. The insects they eat include earwigs, ants, and cockroaches. They will also consume invertebrates such as spiders and centipedes. In captivity, these tragopans eat fruits and berries. The Temminck's tragopan cock is an extremely bright colored bird, mostly a rich shade of orange. Number 4. Hautzin. The hautzin, also known as the stink bird, is a tropical bird found in the Amazon and Orinoco Delta in South America. The name stink bird gets its name because of its digestive system. It is the only bird in the world that lives almost entirely on a diet of leaves. Hautzin can reach 25 inches in length and 1.78 pounds of weight. Hautzin has a long neck, small head with reddish brown crest, and blue facial skin and red eyes. Its body is covered with dark and light brown feathers combined with white and yellow feathers. Number 5. King vulture. King vultures eat carrion, which is the decaying meat of dead animals. They have a thick, strong beak which is well adapted for tearing and long, thick claws for holding the meat. They have keen eyesight and sense of smell that they use to find their food. These vultures range from southern Mexico to southern Argentina, where they prefer densely forested tropical lowland habitat The lifespan of these birds is about 30 years. Unlike all the other vultures, they do not have eyelashes. Number 6. Nicobar pigeons. The Nicobar pigeon is one of the closest living relatives to the dodo, a bird which is now extinct. This pigeon is found on the small islands and coastal regions from the Nicobar Islands. Nicobar pigeons feed on a variety of seeds, fruits, and small invertebrates. They have a very strong muscular gizzard, which enables them to eat very hard-shelled nuts. It is considered one of the most beautiful pigeon species. Number 7. Lady Amherst's pheasant. The Lady Amherst's pheasant is found in China and Myanmar in forested areas and wooded hills, bamboo thickets, dense shrubby areas and secondary growths. The Lady Amherst's pigeons is a very shy species, rarely seen outside the vegetal cover, spiny bushes or bamboo thickets. It lives in remote areas in mountains. The Lady Amherst's pheasant feeds usually on the ground, taking spiders and small solopatrians. It also takes plant matter such as fern fronds, but its preferred food is mainly bamboo sprouts. It may consume seeds, roots, and berries too. Number 8. Victorian Crown Pigeon. The Victorian Crown Pigeon is distributed in the lowland and swamp forests of northern New Guinea and surrounding islands. It is named for the elegant blue lace-like crest and its head. Victorian crown pigeons eat fallen fruit, berries, and seeds. These large, beautiful pigeons grow up to 74 centimeters long, which is the size of a turkey, making them the largest species of pigeon in this world. Number 9. South Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher. The South Philippine Dwarf Kingfisher natural habitat is subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests. It is threatened by habitat loss. The diet of this unusual bird is the skins of the fishes. This bird is the tiniest species of forest kingfisher and was first described almost 130 years ago. Number 10. Puffin. Atlantic puffins live on the open sea, with an ocean spanning from the eastern coast of Canada and the northern United States to the western coast of Europe and northern Asia. 60% of the world's puffins live near island. Puffins are especially adapted to living on the open sea. Adult puffins mostly eat small fish such as sand, eels, herrings, and hake. A puffin's beak or bill changes color during the year. During the winter, the bills and feet of puffins are dull shades of the summer colors. Every spring, their beaks and feet turn to a colorful orange. The beaks and feet of puffins become brightly colored and the beak increases in size as the bird matures. So the list ends here. Bye.